the Middle East conflict has taken another dramatic turn. And this time, it's not just Iran and the United States making headlines. Hello and welcome to Commodity Today English. I am Megha, bringing you the latest insights from global events and their impact on market, commodities, and everyday lives. In a major escalation, Egypt has come under its first attack since the conflict began. A drone strike hit two gas vessels at Egypt's Damietta Port, a key energy hub near the Suez Canal. While there were no reported casualties, the attack has raised serious concerns because the Suez Canal is one of the world's most important trade routes, carrying millions of barrels of oil and massive volumes of global cargo every day. At the same time, fighting has intensified across the region, with fresh US strikes on Iranian targets and growing fears that more countries could get pulled into this conflict. As the war expands beyond Iran, the biggest concern for the global economy is no longer just security, it's energy supply. That's because if key shipping routes like the Suez Canal or Strait of Hormuz face disruptions, oil supplies could tighten, pushing crude prices sharply higher. And for India, which imports nearly 85% of its crude oil, that could translate into higher fuel prices, rising inflation, and increased costs for business and consumers. For now, however, markets are showing cautious optimism. WTI crude traded around $84 per barrel, while Brent crude was near $89 per barrel, both easing from earlier highs. Investors seem to believe that global oil supplies may not have yet suffered a major disruption. That confidence was reflected in Indian markets as well. The sensex closed near 77,930, gaining around 274 points, while the Nifty 50 ended near 24,370, roughly up 67 points. IT stocks led to the rally, with auto and oil and gas sectors also contributing to these gains. But here is the question every investor should be asking. If attacks begin targeting critical energy infrastructure and major trade routes like Egypt's ports, how long can oil prices and stock markets remain calm? Because the next headline from the Middle East may not just affect global politics, it could directly impact your fuel bill, inflation, and your investments. Stay tuned for the latest updates from US-Iran conflict, and thanks for watching Commodity Today English.